Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Expressway 2500 cargo van. This 3-door van has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.